Today in the Roy Garage, we're putting this Lokar accelerator pedal and the throttle linkage. All right guys, this is our throttle pedal we're putting in here. There's the part number. Then we also have this throttle linkage. And there's the part number on that. Let's get to it. So what we've done here, guys, is this comes out. You have an Allen wrench right there, and you can take this wire out. When you take that wire out, you can take this bolt off, and we slid it in here, put that bolt on, pulled the wire through, and tighten this on. Now we're trying to see how we can put this onto here, and it looks like this can come out. We're actually going to loop it around and bring it in right here. So now we're going to focus on the location of the foot pedal. To determine the location of the foot pedal, which will determine where we drill that hole for that wire or cable to come through. It helps if you have it plugged in.
There's a washer. Any lock washer or anything? No, I don't have one. Alright, I'd like to get one. There's a washer. Can I get hold of it? Yep.
Attention to detail. I gotta take this out. Here's an example of how easy it is to take this out. So you take that out, take this off, and then I'm gonna put it through here.
Oh, there it is. Yeah, I'm going to cut some of it off. Yeah, that looks good.
Lawn chairs and sit 6 feet away from each other, and
Lawn chairs, looking at this thing.
what a beautiful day though, man. Oh. From. No way. But he's gonna double check, doing the quality check, as if he knows what he's doing. All right. Now, the important part. That's sweet. Oh, that's sweet. Thanks for watching. Remember, don't forget to give this video a like, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you know when a new video comes out. Also, for more day-to-day content, go follow my Instagram, jake.holt.34.